Hi, this is Jack Chawla. I'm with SAP. We are here at Mobile World Congress in full force. Let me show you some of the apps which we are demoing here. SAP is basically building apps for enterprises. We have 30 plus apps from SAP, and our partners have around 200 apps. Now the question is, how do you discover all these apps? If you go to Apple App Store, you will get lost because there are millions of apps and most of them are consumer apps. So the first thing we are doing is making it easy for enterprises to discover the apps, and we have an SAP store which features all the apps from SAP and partners. So let's look at the store. Unfortunately, we don't have the Wi-Fi connection, so I'll explain the concept here. So you go and download the SAP store application. You go in there and you will see all the application from SAP and partners. You can look at it by business area. For example, if you are in HR or finance and so on, you can look at the solution by industry, and you can look at it by the release date. You discover the application you are interested in, you download it to your device. All our apps have a demo data, so you can play with the application without connecting to the backend. If you like something, then you can go and talk to the IT and buy this application. Let me show you some of the applications which SAP has built. I'll show it to you right here on the iPad. So the first app I have here is SAP EMR, SAP Electronic Medical Record Application. This is designed for doctors and hospitals. So this doctor can basically, when he visits a patient, he can have this iPad with him, and then he can go and look up all the information about the patients. So I'm logging in right here, and I can see all my patients here. So let's say I have this patient here, I can look up all the information about this patient. I can go and look at, for example, the clinical orders. I can go and look at the x-ray this patient might have in his record, and so on. So basically I have everything I need about the patient right on my device, so it makes it easy for me to interact with the patient, have the latest information, instead of having to kind of not know all the information and make decisions without this information. Let me show you another example. This is the application we designed for the government. So as a government, you can deploy this application to your citizen, and they can take this application and log in. For example, if there's a pothole or some graffiti on the street, you can go and report it, and it goes directly to the government. For example, I can go and say, okay, I have a pothole here. I can say accept, and I can take a picture right here, and I can say use, and I can describe what the issue is, and using the GPS location, we can know exactly where the pothole is, and the government can go and fix it immediately. In addition to this, we have many more applications. We have, for example, SAP Retail Execution for the consumer product industry, customer briefing app for the salesperson who can go in and look at this application. We have internet issues, so that's why you see the error. So we have this about 30 plus application for the enterprises.
Do you know the exact number of the application in SAP Store?
In SAP Store, we have around 40 applications right now, and we will have about 200 or so by the end of this year.
Are they available all over the world?
They are available in most of the world. We are working on making it available around the world, but they are available in all the major countries right now.